All right, we are recording again for Theo's happy 25th Arctic birthday display. Display. This is literally what it is. Where are we going to throw? So I think we should throw this way, and I'm gonna camera over here.
I'm gonna go onto the street. That's a good idea.
All right, one at a time.
One at a time. Okay.
Ready?
Go,
Go, Jesse.
Woo! Ready?
It's
Josh.
woo! Perfect fireworks! Yay! Oh, that was a good one. You guys better hurry up. The water's gonna. Oh! It didn't work with the food coloring, guys. Oh.
Take the pot.
Take the pot. Hurry, take the pot.
Let's all do it at the same time.
Yay! This is boiling water, guys. Boiling water fireworks display. Woo! I loved that one. It was so pretty. One more. We got one more. One more. Boiling water in the air. Happy 25th birthday, Theo! Yay! Okay, it is so cold out. It is like negative 30 something degrees out right now. And we're out here freezing boiling water. Boiling water in the air is done. Good night. Happy birthday to Theo. I love you, Theo.